Someone sent you a message on Instagram, delete this message, and you are curious. You really want to see what the message is? Of course, it's not possible, right? But at the end of this video, I'll be showing you how you can read deleted messages on Instagram. So when next someone sends you a message, you receive this message, the message gets deleted, you can still see, read, and recover these messages. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you're welcome. Let's get started. We'll be installing an app from the store. This is the app we'll use to recover deleted messages and status download. Install this app, open it, and give the necessary permissions. Whenever anyone sends you a message and deletes it, you will get to find out what it is. Here you have to select the app to monitor. This is how it works. Someone sends a message, you receive it, the message gets deleted, this app will recover it. Be it a text message, audio, video, or a GIF. Now we have to allow backup to photos, audio, and videos. Enable. The next one is to give notification access for this app to function very well. Allow notification access. Allow. Whenever anyone sends you a message and deletes it, just launch this app and you will see the message right here. If you want to add more apps, you click here and select more apps to monitor. These are the ones already selected. You select more apps to monitor. Whenever anyone sends you a message on these apps, delete it, you will still get to see them. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.